let's introduce us for the group. Tornado. My name is Satya Nikamerta.
My name is Tena Atresia.
My name is Nikoma Ella Angelia.
My name is Putu Alesya Sarita Dewi.
My name is Bisma Wadakarna.
Here we will practice material about procedure text, and today we will create tornado crispy. Just go straight to the ingredient. First, we need
Spring roll pastry,
Oil,
1 tablespoon of flour.
Balado seasoning,
Water.
The material first we need
pan and plate,
knife,
a jug and cutting board.
glass and spoon,
Ball.
Step first, dissolve 1 tablespoon of wheat flour in the water. Step 2, roll up the spring roll pastry and seal the edges with dissolved flour. Step 3, cut the spring roll pastry at an angle according to your needs. Place the frying pan on the stove, pour oil and wait until the oil is hot. The oil is hot, pour the dumpling pastry into the hot oil and fry until golden brown. When the color is golden brown, remove and drain. Sprinkle butter powder and turn the crispy ready to be served. Well guys, try this at home. Thank you.
See you!